dimension is not the best IDE. Yeah, don't use it. Usually in this IDE, when I make a new Java application, I make a new project here, and then I choose Java application. Let me call it compute grades project. So the nice thing, this IDE, directly it will create a class for me. So forget about the package things, we will need it later. But it will make a class for me, public class compute grades. The name of the file computegrades.java. We said it has to be the same name, right? And it makes the main method for me. It's empty, yeah? So now let's start. Can you help me? So what should I do first? I will print for the user. Enter the number of grades, right? How to do that? System.out.println. Enter the number of grades. And then I make semicolon. At the end of each statement, there is a semicolon, right? Okay. So this is the number of grade. After that, what should I do? I will read from the user, right? Thank you very much. You want A+?
Yes.
Okay. So now I want to read from the user. To read from the user, there are 3 steps. The first step is to...
Doctor,
Yes.
it's not nice when you put print in and then not take input from the user. It's not on the same line.
Okay, I will make it print, okay? Okay, import java.util.scanner. Scanner, capital S, right? Don't forget, it's a class name, so all class names in Java are capital. So Zainab, she don't like print ln, she want to print, because when this appears, I can write not here. She wants me to write 3 here. So in this case, I just write a print, yeah? Okay. The people in the video will not know here and here. Okay, no problem. So now, after this, I define the scanner here. Second step, I define a scanner. I create object of class scanner. Scanner. I can call it any names, right? Input or X or whatever. New scanner, and then system.n, right? After that, I want to read from the user. The actual statement that read from the user is input.next. So if you have a nice IDE, it will suggest for you the name of the methods and so on. It will help you a lot. I will store that in number of grades. So I will define integer num of grades. Okay, so I define integer num of grades. Whatever I read from the user, I will store it in this variable. If you have any question, ask me. Okay, so after that, I need to make a loop, right? This loops will go how many times? 3 times. So what the condition should be? While what? Yeah, so I need to define counter before, right? No. Where inside? It's not for. In for you can define it inside the for, but unfortunately here you have to define it count. Let me start it from 1. We can start from 0 or 1 as you like, yeah? But you need to take care of that. So while count, what is the condition now? I want to loop number of grades time. Less than? Yeah, less than or equal to 3. Number of grades depends on the user. If the user enter 5, I need to make loops 5 times, right? If the user enter 10, I want to make loops 10 times. Depends on the user input, which was stored in number of grades. So this I will make number of grades iterations, okay? In every iteration, what should I do, Ahmed?
Enter the number of the
I should print for the user, enter the number of system.out.print line, or print Zainab?
Print, no line.
A print, okay.
Print F. So we need the counter. We need
Okay,
the
print F. Okay. Wait, I will make it print and then print F to show the difference between them. So system.out.print, I will say enter grade, right? And then I should say grade 1 or grade 2 or grade 3, depends on the operation. How I know? By the count, very good. So here in Java, you don't make a comma like in C++ we make comma, right? Yes. But here we make a plus because plus will concatenate the integer with the string to make it a string, yeah? So we read enter grade plus count, a plus, yeah, like Python kind of, a plus colon, yeah? So I mix string with a variable and with a string, okay? This works.
Doctor, why not number of grades? Why
Number of grades will be 3 all the time, yeah, but count will be 1 and next time it will be 2 and 3. Very good question. Okay, this is one way to do it. If you want to do it in printf, let me do it in printf, the same statement. I will keep them. System.out, let me make, how to make comment like this. I delete this line. Print f, enter
grade, present D.
Yes, very good, Zainab. Enter grade. After grade, you write %d because it's integer, and then you make this. And after this, you said, I want, instead of d, I want the count. So it makes a slot for, yeah? Which one you like?
No, second one.
First one?
What's
People
the
like,
when you have a lot of information?
Halas, they like the first one. Hello, they like the first one. Halas. Okay. We will use the first one, okay? Clear? طيب. After we print this, we want to ask the user to enter something, right? So how to do that? We can use the same scanner like input.nextInt still, but we store it in what? A grade. So we define int grade, yeah? So we will read the grade from the user and we store it, yeah, Ahmed, from a grade. Don't make noise on YouTube, okay? Yes. Int grade equal input.nextInt, and I will read the grade from the user. What should I do with the grade?
You
Add it to the total. So I need to define the total before and make it 0, right? Int. No, because if you make the total 0, every iteration it will be zeros. Yeah, it will be stupid, Ahmed. Okay. After we read the grade, we write total plus equal grade. Or I can write another way to write it. Total, not plus plus. Total equals total plus grade. Which one you like? First one, okay. So we'll use the first one. Okay. So total plus equal grade. We will add the grade on the total. And that's it. Do we need to do something? Huh? Count. Count plus plus, or count plus equal 1, or count equal count plus 1. Yeah. So if you didn't do count plus plus, it will be infinite loop, right? So this loop will ask you 3 times or 10 times, depends on what you enter, about the grade and will add it to the total. At the end, you need to print the total. So after the loop, right? System dot out dot print ln. You write what? The total grades
Print F. Oh, sorry.
is what? Is total. We can do print f as well. What?
People don't like it that much.
People don't like it, Ahmed. After that, we do the average as well. We can define average or make it inside the print. Let's define average here. Double. The average can be double, right? Double average equal total divided by 3. Num of grade. Very good. Num of. You see the camel case? Do you see the camel case? So, yeah, very good. If you make like this, it will be integer division, right? So how to make it? You go before total and make double. I want to make like this, but the shift is not working. Okay, so this we defined the average. Now we want to print the average. What is this? The average grade. So we want to print. Now I think it's better to use printf, yeah, because we want to format the double number. It could be like 0.3333. It's not nice to print that. So here we have to use printf. We write the average. Which syntax? The average is and percentage. How to make format? 0.2f, right? I want 2 decimal points. Let me make it 0.1. And then dot, because dot I want to make. After this, I make dot here, for example. After that, I need to print you passed or you failed.
So if
How about use conditional operator?
yes, the ternary.
Yeah. Let me do it in two things and then you decide which one is better. System.out.print ln. I write the condition average greater than or equal 60. Average greater than or equal 60. In this case, we print pass. Otherwise, sorry, here, yeah, question mark, and here, fail. Okay. I want to here print new line, yeah. So percentage n, so that this is not connected to the previous sentence. Okay, this is one way to do it. Another way to do it, if average is greater than 60, greater than or equal 60, system.out.print ln, what we print? Pass, else system.out.print false. Which one you like? Which one you like? First one or second one? Randa, which one you like? First one, okay. Why you let me write the second one?
You don't need to pass the average into it.
Hmm?
In the printf, you don't need to pass the average into it.
Yes, very good. I need to pass the average. Very good. Otherwise, I will get exception
Where? Ah.
here. Okay, so the people like the first one. Okay. So this is the, after this we run. If we have syntax error, it will say, but there is no syntax error. So here, because of Zainab now, we enter in the same line. Otherwise, it will enter here. So it's, let's say, 3. Grade 1 is 100, 90, 91. So the average is, why you didn't tell me to make space here? Same here. Average is, here I don't need semicolon, class. Okay. So this is the average. You see it's 1 decimal point. 3.7. Okay. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let me stop the recording. I need to